really like, there's just no, like you don't have to do anything. You have to sit and, you're not moving a seat, you have to sit and make it sort of easy. So they don't have a ton of like, you have to do this. You have to sit in a circle when you first get there. So they're practicing this thing. I know, and someone started yesterday. Maggie. It's crazy line.
Oh, it's right there?
Yeah. Because we have more coffee shops in there for her. Or maybe if they do online. The line used to be all the way out and around the corner. So I used to avoid this. Because we're going prime time right now.
Yeah.
And then the grocery store is, see that double building?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right there, that bigger building?
Yeah.
On the bottom floor you can see